that's a maple tree. We are going to check our apple tree. There. Where are we going? The apple tree? Yeah, we're checking our apple tree. Oh. There. Nah. This one is not really good. See? It's not ripe yet. But there's lots of apples, right? Hmm. There's lots of apples, right? Is that apple?
Yeah.
We don't, there's another tree there, right? Lots of apples this time, but it's not really good. They said we go over there because there's another apple tree there. So we just check if there's... Tignan lang namin kung gaano karami yung bunga. Kung pwede na bang harvestin. Pero hindi naman yung hina-harvest namin eh. Hina-harvest lang yan para pakain sa deer. Yun guys, yan yung beans. Soybeans. Yan. Ang ganda ng beans this time eh. So guys, beans. Soybeans ba yan? Yan. So here, apple tree. This apple tree is too old. What? Yeah, but we don't have a good apple this year. This one, we plant that this year. Don't. So din,
What's this? What's that?
apple. Ano lang namin to eh. Pakain sa deer. Yeah. Harvestin pakain sa deer. Kasi magde-deer hunting na naman sa November. September or October haharvestin ko. Ikip namin para sa deer. Oh yes. Let's go there. What are you doing there, Bella? Are you gonna eat all of that? It's sour or no? Ito yung old na ano. Asparagus. This is the asparagus. Oh, don't go there. It's gonna be grown in next year again. This is our asparagus spot. Alright, let's go. Bella, come on. All right, let's get back inside. To put the hay there, okay? And this year, I supposed to have a garden in here. But look what happened. I just was parang tinatamad ako na mag tanim ngayong summer. Sobrang busy kasi. Yeah, don't harvest it. Tomatoes. You need to pick up that. Yep, there's already ripe in there. Oh, you have to put that back in your playhouse. So, tignan mo, hindi maganda yung tubo ngayon eh. Hindi ko din naman kasi naasikaso eh. Itong cherry tomatoes, na kailangan ko na itong pitasin. Kasi yung iba na ano na talaga. Hindi naman kasi ito tinanim ko dito eh. Tumubo lang from last year. Kaya ang daming ano. Tanim lang ako dito ng isang tomato. Tapos green pepper. Itong cherry tomatoes, tumubo na lang ito dito. Bella, you wanna go get a basket there? You wanna go get a basket? Maybe you can ask Daddy a basket so we can pick up these cherry tomatoes because it's getting ripe. Hey, you have to put this back in your playhouse.
I don't know this basket. I don't know.
Mga batang to talaga. Diyos mio. Ayan, tinanggal nga. Ang hirap pa naman itong ibalik. Ay, Diyos mio. Tingnan mo na yan. Pipitasin ko yung ano, cherry tomatoes. Let mommy pick up. Because the come in this side, Bella. Bella, here. 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 Are you good? See over there. It's Mama's bag. Is it one up? Here. Here. Is that airplane? What the airplane doing? Let Mama pick. Let Mama pick. But you don't know how to pick it, okay? Well, what you gonna pick? You pick the green one. So it means green one's not good yet to pick. Red is the right one to pick. Okay? There's one there, but those ones are... I think we're good. The one there, the big one is not good now to pick. It's overripe. Alright, get off, get off, get off. You good, Carson? Let me see how many you got here. Oh, that's good. That's good. Can you count how many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, Bella, give one Carson. Okay, that's good?
Yeah, let's have more.
Oh, we have no more ripe in there, okay? We come back here next time, okay?
Tomorrow or next day.
She picked the picked the green one. Right here, right here.
Yeah, Mom.
Oh, Carson, come here. Come on. It's dead. It's not good, honey. Hey, don't rub. That's so little, Bella. It's bigger than you. It's bigger than that. Carson, come here. You picking the green one. It's okay. Oops, that's why I don't want to plant her next year. Back off, back off. Next year. The one underneath there's
Pepper.
I want to put some stone and put some swing in here. Alright, we'll take that inside. Talaga nasa kaso this time. Ito naman ang aking okra. Diyos ko, magpo-full na lang. Wala na. Late na yan. Ito ang aking okra. Dalawa lang. Kuhanin ko na lang. Baka pwede pa ito. May ano ako doon eh. Ay.